Guys, the market has seen a massive sell-off, a crash for many stocks like Bionano Genomics, which we will be speaking about today. But I believe in the relative short term, there's going to be some very great news for this stock, and that this stock could certainly double or even triple within the next 30 days, potentially 60 days. So stay tuned for the rest of the video, guys, because I have some late and breaking news for Bionano Genomics, ticker symbol BNGO, with some positive, awesome news and price predictions. So make sure you guys stay tuned. All right, guys, let me know in the comments below, do you think Bionano Genomics is going to have good earnings? Let me know right now, and let's talk about it. Let's discuss it. I'm very interested to hear your guys' opinion. What's up, guys? My name is Miles with MYLESG Investments, and I have over 12 years of investment and trading experience. I make videos on stocks and cryptocurrencies, and I am a technical analysis expert. I am able to call out big plays before they happen with my experience in technical analysis. So you guys need to make sure you subscribe now, because I call out videos that are time sensitive, and I call out big plays before they happen. So if you don't want to miss out on the big gains, make sure you guys go ahead and subscribe and hit that notification bell. Also, guys, it would do me a huge favor if you would like this video. To help to get this video out there, to share it with others, and I would really appreciate it. Also, guys, check out the Discord. We have over 400 members. We talk about stocks and cryptocurrencies, and you guys can ask me any questions there, get in contact with me there. And check out my Patreon. I give you my private trade alerts for stocks, show you my $75,000 portfolio in stocks and cryptos, and I do financial coaching and classes. I can teach you guys how to chart like a pro. So finally, we see some green for Bionano Genomics and some stocks that we are invested in. It has been a green day overall, despite the massive drop this morning. Stocks dropped like a rock. I really felt like I was on a roller coaster at Disney, on one of those free fall rides where you just go straight down. My stomach felt like that when I was looking at my brokerage account, seeing the numbers go down to the depths I've never seen before. That was scary. I'm sure some of you guys have been able to relate. But look, Bionano Genomics is up 8% after hours, and today it was up nearly 4%. I was literally just about to sell this thing because it just kept going down and down and down and down and down. And I was buying them the dips, but it kept going down. But it's finally back up, guys. So the stock market corrected today because a lot of people were suspecting that the interest rates were going to be raised. And also, what also happened to help bring the stock market back up is that the bond yields have decreased today. Yes, they went down. So those two factors were causing a massive sell-off in the stock market, especially for tech stocks, biotech stocks like Bionano Genomics. So there are some very important pieces of news and information that you guys need to be aware of for Bionano Genomics, because I believe that Bionano Genomics is about to take off to the moon. There is some big news that I'm going to share with you right now. Okay, the first thing is we have earnings coming up March 9th. And look, guys, a lot of investors are looking forward to the Bionano Genomics earnings reports. And a lot of people are believing that these earning reports are going to be massive and they're going to be very positive. So a lot of people are suspecting that there's going to be some great earnings for Bionano Genomics, and I believe that this is going to be a huge catalyst and that the earnings are going to be awesome. And just these two catalysts, the earnings being good and the people believe that they're being good, those two things are going to bring Bionano Genomics up massive on Monday, guys. There's another very important piece of news, guys. Look, the implied volatility is surging for Bionano Genomics. Investors in Bionano Genomics need to pay close attention to the stock based on moves in the options market lately. That is because on April 16th, 2021, there's a $20 call. There's somebody that believes with big money that there's going to be a $20, that Bionano Genomics is going to potentially hit nearly $20. So that would be more than 3x from this moment, more than 330 to 50%, guys. That is huge. If a lot of people are betting on Bionano Genomics and they're purchasing calls right now, they believe, just like myself, that a lot of stocks have been beaten down irrationally. There's been a lot of irrational selling in the stock market with a lot of stocks. We're seeing CCIV, $20. We are seeing Palantir. We are seeing plug. There's so many stocks that just been beaten down. Look at Tesla, $500, guys. Tesla is $500. That is crazy. So I personally believe that this is a very bullish sign that confirms my true sentiment with Bionano Genomics, and that is why I'm continuing to hold Bionano Genomics. I've been investing and I've held Bionano Genomics since $5, but I bought in further at the dip around $12, and I've been trading it ever since. But I've been holding it because it has dropped, and I know it's going to get back up there, guys, where we were, $15 to $18 or so. So this stock can easily get back to those numbers because it is a great company. They have an awesome machine, the Sapphire machine, which is revolutionary in design and its technology. What it's able to do is it's able to detect certain cancers. They do genomic sequencing, which they're able to look at certain cancer cells and the genome, and they're able to detect cancers and things like this. But the Sapphire machine is able to do much more than your traditional methods of mapping and sequencing and imaging. And these are all medical terms that are related to the genome sequencing field and genomics. But to keep it really short and to keep it in layman's terms, guys, their machine is revolutionary. It's able to do certain things. It's able to tell us a lot more about COVID. There was a big publication about that than what we previously knew. But this thing is headed to the moon, guys. I believe that we are going to see $18 within the next 30 to 60 days. So right now we're going to go ahead and do some technical analysis and break down Bionano Genomics on a technical chart so we can see where this thing is heading. In the last couple of videos I made for Bionano Genomics, it popped off. I called big breakouts before they happened. So guys, I believe there's going to be another breakout. So stay tuned because we're going to now look at a chart. Okay guys, if we look at a chart, we just seen just such a parabolic rise with the big corrections. We haven't seen a correction of this magnitude. Let's look at this correction. I don't even really want to know how much of a correction it was. 64%, guys. That is just absolutely ridiculous. 64% correction. That is a crash. That is massive. But there is a good sign right now, guys. There's finally a sign that this could be the bottom. We are seeing a reversal of trends, a change of trends to the upside. So let's go ahead and break down further Bionano Genomics through technical analysis. So what we can see right here is there was a gap and it was filled. We had to come down here and fill the gap, but we are seeing a strong level of support. This was a previous level of support of around $7, guys. But there's further levels of support which we came down and test, but we did not close and we didn't go there. We came down there with the wick. But I believe that this is going to be a strong level of support for us, guys, that this is the floor. And if indeed this is the floor, we're going to come up 100% sure and come up and test further levels of resistance. Look, we have a level of resistance right here, guys. $8.51. This is the first goal we need to look forward to. And if we can surpass this and remain above this for at least 4 to 2 hours, that shows us that we can close candlesticks above the level of support, which means that we are going to find a new bottom. So our level, a previous level of resistance, guys, in theory, always become the next floor or the next level of support, the price in which a price is not able to go back down further. Additionally, we're going to have to see some other levels of resistance hit, nearly $10, guys, about right here. But I believe that on Monday, with good earnings, we can see a massive retracement, guys. That we're going to see a massive retracement into this level or to these levels and possibly consolidate. And then with further catalysts, which we will see throughout the year with more publications being well known about the Sapphire system, we can come and certainly break these. But in the relative short term, if we have really good earnings and then this thing pops off again like it previously did in its beginning, remember it was just at 50 cents in December. This thing has room to grow, and this thing has gone up here, and it'll easily come back up here, guys. It'll easily come to the all-time highs of 1577. Most things that come down usually go back up to where they were, but go up higher. So yes, we saw a crash, we saw a correction, but guys, I believe that this thing is going to be going to the moon in the relative short term based on earnings and other catalysts that are going to be coming out. Bigger investors, big money is going to come back in again, because what we saw these last 2 weeks, big money was pulled out of the market. They were selling. It caused a lot of emotional selling, caused a lot of small guys to sell. But now they're going to come back in and buy things when they are super cheap, and potentially Kathy Woods or ARK invest. Who knows? So if you guys like today's video, please hit that like button and subscribe. It helps us support and grow the channel. And if you guys want to check out the Patreon, you guys want to check out the Discord, come talk to me. Let's hang out. and I will see you guys tomorrow.